Hey everyone, today I will show you how to sign on PDF document. So you can see, then scroll down and open the Adobe file like PDF app. Then sign up first of all, and click on the file icons and tap on the device and select the PDF and click on the AI assistant options. And you show the option like edit PDF. So click on it. Then and corner the right show option fill and sign, so click on it. Then draw now like anything, add signature, then sign here like anything, and done. And you can see your sign is successfully completed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.